Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Medical Aspirants. So in this video we are going to talk about the muscles attachment to humerus. In earlier video we talked about the features of humerus bone, its structure and its location on humerus bone. And in this video we will talk about muscles attachment to humerus bone. So first of all we will take a look on greater tubercle, lesser tubercle, intertubercular sulcus. Then we will talk about deltoid tuberosity. Then we will talk about lateral supracondylar ridge, medial supracondylar ridge, and then on medial epicondyle, then on posterior view. Like this we will go forward. First of all, I am going to tell you about the muscles on lesser tubercle. Muscle on lesser tubercle, that is subscapularis muscle. Lesser tubercle is this. Subscapularis muscle is inserted into the lesser tubercle. Subscapularis muscle is inserted into the lesser tubercle. So next we are going to talk about greater tubercle. In greater tubercle there are three muscles are inserted into the greater tubercle. First on the uppermost, then on medial, then on lower. Firstly on upper it is supraspinatus, then on the middle impression we have infraspinatus, then on lower impression we have teres minor. First one is supraspinatus. Here is supraspinatus, or we can see in posterior view on greater tubercle. On the upper portion of humerus bone or on greater tubercle, supraspinatus muscle is inserted. Then we have infraspinatus, which is inserted into the middle impression. Infraspinatus is inserted into the middle impression. Then we have teres minor, which is inserted into the lowest impression. So we have talked about four muscles attached to humerus bone. First on lesser tubercle, then on greater tubercle. Greater tubercle they have three muscles inserted. So this will make you easy to remember all the muscles attached and where the muscles are attached on the bone. So now this we have four muscles. Now we will look forward. We have pectoralis major, which is inserted into the lateral lip of intertubercular sulcus. Pectoralis major is inserted into the lateral lip of intertubercular sulcus. Then we have latissimus dorsi, which is inserted into the floor of intertubercular sulcus. Then we have teres major, which is inserted into the middle lip. So we got three muscles inserted into the intertubercular sulcus, that is pectoralis major on lateral, then on floor latissimus dorsi, then on the medial teres major. Okay, we have talked about seven muscles. First on lesser tubercle, then on greater, then on intertubercular sulcus. Now we will look forward on deltoid tuberosity. Deltoid, as the name suggests, deltoid muscle is inserted into the deltoid tuberosity. So we have talked about 8 muscles. Okay. Now on the middle of the medial border this is medial border, and on the middle border we have coracobrachialis muscle. This is coracobrachialis muscle on the middle of the medial border. So we got, ये हमारा मिडल बॉर्डर है, उसके मिडल में हमारे पास कोराकोब्रेकियालिस मसल्स होती है. ठीक है. उसके बाद हमारे पास है ब्रेकियालिस मसल, जो कि एंटेरोमीडियल और एंटेरोलेटरल सरफेस के बीच में होती है. ये हमारे पास ब्रेकियालिस मसल है, एंटेरोलेटरल और एंटेरोमीडियल मसल के बीच में प्रेजेंट होती है, जो कि पोस्टीरियर एस्पेक्ट पे एक्सटेंड हो जाती है. ये भी ब्रेकियालिस मसल है पोस्टीरियर एस्पेक्ट में. ओके, नाउ वी हैव एक्सटेंसर carpi radialis longus and brachioradialis. As the name suggests, it will be present above the capitulum, or we can say on the lateral supracondylar ridge. Lateral supracondylar ridge is this. We have two muscles. First one is brachioradialis, or we can see in posterior view, or we can see in anterior view. On the lateral supracondylar ridge we have brachioradialis and extensor carpi radiolongus. So we have two muscles on the lateral supracondylar ridge, one on upper 2/3 and next one is on lower 1/3. Okay, now we have pronator teres on the medial supracondylar ridge. Pronator teres on the medial. This is medial supracondylar ridge. We have pronator teres on medial supracondylar ridge. Okay, now we have common flexor origin on the medial epicondyle. Okay, now we have enconinus and conius muscle on the posterior surface of lateral epicondyle. Almost we have all covered all the muscles. Now we have lateral head of triceps muscles here. Lateral head of tricep muscles. Okay, and we have lateral head of triceps brachii, which arises from the oblique ridge on the upper part of posterior surface above the radial groove. Okay, above the radial groove. We have covered all the muscles attached to humerus bone. So here we complete all the muscles. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for daily videos, and thank you.